How to disable automix on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable automix on Spotify. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here on the pop-up menu, simply tap on settings and privacy. And once you do that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, simply tap on the option labeled as playback. Now once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the playback section. Now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as automix. So to disable this option, simply toggle it off. And once you do that, this will prevent Spotify from blending tracks together when playing playlists or albums. And that's it. That's how you can disable automix on Spotify. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.